to do it, to re-pin it all, because I haven't got one of those swirly things that you drop the pins in. I have to remove all this on the inside and remove this. There we go. This here, I probably put the wrong one in really. Put this one in. Okay, because then I can put this in, hopefully. Or maybe the other one, if it's designed for that. Whichever's going to give me more ease. This one. So, I'm going to put this one straight back. Check we've got everything in there. Missing one of the pins on the side here. Go back in. We have the ball bearing. Put that back in. Now I'm just going to push this I could have probably done it without the key in it, but it would have been easier. Okay, spin it round, take the key out. Job done. It's half the job done. Okay, so now for this side. One idiot. I haven't loaded it up yet. I'm running before I can walk. Push this back in and back out again. Lost a couple of pins. You don't belong there. Okay. All lines up flat. Ball bearings come out again. Yep, I didn't think about what I was doing. So that's why I put this little ridge in here, so I can load the pins up. So I can take this all the way down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's number 6. Okay. Spring. Tell you what, just so I can see, and I'll pull this out. I can see I can see the back. This is purely just put the springs in. There we go. There we go. Just 3 more to go. You're hiding. You're trying to hide. There we go. Right. Now, I said I put that ridge in there to balance the pin in. So when I push this up inside, I can line up where the pin goes. And hopefully that sits in the pin. I can rotate it and then just push it down. Well, that's the plan, Batman. Whether it works or not.
To watch the Batman, see your purchase options on the Amazon website.
Look at that. It's always listening. It's always listening. There we go. It is a fiddly job when they ping and they pong. There we go. That one. There we go. Oh, that was catchy. How it should. Be handy pick. There we go. Got that one. Three more to go. Now you can see about, probably see better now how about so put that ridge in so it can rest in there, and effectively you should be able to just line it up and then push it in. The ridge could probably do being a little bit bigger. Come on, just push it up to hold it in. What a pain. Come on. And you get the last two. Yay. One. Yay. And up in the ridge. Push it down. Holds it in. Right. Both sides are loaded up. Ready to blow. Okay, here we go again. Back to where we were. Okay, both all the hard pins are in. Let's get our ball bearing. Stick it in the side. Okay. One thing to account, if you're going to push the plug in without the key in it, make sure it's the opposite way up. Because otherwise, if it jams up, game over. That's in. Now I can turn it. Now it's caught onto those pins here. Push them down. Turn it again. I'm safe. It's engaged. It's safe. So what I can do on this side now is I can turn this to here. And when it's here, I should be able to insert this in. But I don't think it's going to work. No. So I may have to use this one. Yep, I'm going to have to use that one. I'll have to trust it. Trust it not to fail. Okay. So that's their one in there. Holding everything in place. Hopefully. Okay, something's catching. There we go. Whew. It's working. Right, we've got to get the cam in. So this is going to be a. So I'm just putting it back slightly. Only a fraction, just enough so I can get the cam in there. Now I'm pushing it back in. Hold it all in place. Drop this little plug in. Got to make sure it drops all the way through to the other side, because they have one of these on each side. Oh, I nearly lost it. Okay. And drop this in. Come on. You know you want to. It's not dropping through. I'm wondering whether it's because this is so high up. Please don't be. Let's try it again. You know what I'm going to do is I'm going to check. Drop this out with that. I'm going to, for now, just put this in, turn it, drop this out slightly, get this, drop it in to make sure it was in this side. I wonder if I can do this like this. Be brilliant if I can. Don't think I will. No. No, that'd be too easy. Nope, can't do it that way. Okay. Put this back in. Right, so I know that is right the way down the other side now. So this will line up like so there. So drop it in. Come on. I do think it's because of this. Because when I look in there, it's actually sticking over to one side slightly. Just doesn't like. I wonder if I can pull this out slightly. Yes. Alright, that's dropped in. So now, hopefully, get this to go in. Come on. Come on. Yes. Finally, it's dropped in. All right. Okay, let's push that back down again. All right, so that's that done, that's that done. So now, let's go for here, push this in. Oh, before we push this in, let's get all the pins back in. We have got the anti-drill pin, the minuscule anti-drill pin. Wow. Jesus. This is awkward. It's so tiny. Does it even want to go in? There we go. Right, 1, 2. Oh crap! I just fell over, but I don't think we lost anything. No. Three. Right, that's them in. Don't forget my little ball bearing. Can't forget him. There we go. Right, and then that bad boy should just push in. Turn the cam to the relevant position. Not there. It's looking up here. Yep. Right. Take this off. Spin it round. He says. There we go. Locked in. Put the key in. Lovely jubbly. Put the clip on. What I do have is a tool. Hang on. Here we go. I've got a tool for putting these back on. Bit stiff. But basically clamps it. It's got like a little ridge inside, which fits inside here. I'll start it off. with this. These are probably just as good. The tips are being folded down to grab it, to pinch it. I'm just going to finish it off with this. It's nicely shaped. Just going to put the key in, spin it around slightly. That's it. That's that side. Once I'm putting the key out, I'm pushing in the plug in, otherwise the whole thing will just fly out. I'll do the other side. Again, this tool comes with the fly down bit, so I can put that on there and just squeeze it up, hold it there, push it down, and I'll put this in here just so I can make this flush. So when I put this clamp on, it goes on both sides and clamps down nicely. Let's try it this way. That's it. Squeeze. I'll check the other side. And squeeze. Job done. And that is, as he pulls the whole thing out, stripping down and repinning the Ultion 1 star. Anyway, if you're brave enough, thanks for watching. That was a long video. Anyway, again, cheers, share, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.